Gusts were over 200 miles an hour. I'm going to have a link in the Forewarned blog this morning, kind of more information about that and some video as it came on shore as well. I don't want to be there taking that video when that happens.
No, you said that was a Category 5,
Category
right?
5s, yeah. Cyclones, typhoons, hurricanes, all the same types of storms, just different parts of the world. They get different names.
And they live off tourism, and you know, the homes look like shanties for the most part.
They've had problems in Fiji with rising sea levels over the past several years as well, as you know, just things keep going up, and so you know, a storm surge and 200-mile-an-hour winds certainly don't help either. Let's take a look around here. Our weather's a whole lot calmer in comparison to that, and well, really anything's calmer in comparison to that. Cloud cover overhead right now from the Webb School in Bell Buckle. Skies are brightening across the mid-state, but we're not going to see a lot of sunshine over most of the mid-state. Better odds of seeing a bit more sun peeking through the clouds to the northwest of Nashville, and that's where the coolest temperatures are this morning. But gray skies right now from the St. Henry School in West Nashville. Nothing really falling out of those clouds. A couple little blips in the Forewarned live radar in southern Middle Tennessee. That's not reaching the ground. The actual rain is down to our south, and it's going to remain for the most part down to our south today. These showers around Little Rock could make a run towards our southern counties by late this afternoon and into this evening. Southeastern Middle Tennessee has the best chance of rain as we head into this evening and overnight tonight. In the meantime, the cloud cover is keeping temperatures fairly warm. We're at 47 degrees right now in Nashville, low 50s as you head farther south where the cloud cover is even thicker. But it is cooler to the northwest where the clouds are even thinner or taking a break entirely. 39 degrees right now in Murray and in Paris. The warm spots, 52 degrees, McMinnville, Tullahoma, and Lawrenceburg. So a big contrast in our temperatures from northwest to southeast across the mid-state today. But we are going to warm up. A little bit of sunshine peeking through the clouds, but in general, it's just going to be a continuation of the mild weather pattern that we saw over the weekend, just not quite as mild. Temperatures will reach up into the mid-50s. The average high is 54 degrees. We'll be there by noon, a couple degrees above average for highs this afternoon. The clouds will thicken back up even if you have a break in the clouds this morning. But that chance of showers is really going to hold off until late in the day for southern Middle Tennessee, with a few showers trying to sneak up towards Metro Nashville as we head through this evening and the early hours of tonight. It's not going to amount to a whole lot, a few passing showers basically, but a few of those passing showers could still be out there in the eastern half of the mid-state to start the day on Tuesday. And then the more substantial area of moisture is going to take shape down to our south, and that's going to roll up towards us by tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, especially with some heavier rain and even a few non-severe rumbles of thunder. It's just going to be a wet time frame tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, and that rain is going to linger into Wednesday as well. Here's the heaviest rain around midnight tomorrow night into the early hours of Wednesday morning. It's when you have the best chance of hearing a few rumbles of thunder, but the severe weather threat is going to stay down to our south. Best chance of accumulating snow is going to stay off to our northwest. We're going to be right in between, but we could see a little changeover to snow around here as well as we head into Wednesday afternoon, primarily Wednesday evening. That's when the atmosphere should be cold enough for, instead of a rain-snow mix, all snow showers to take over, but that snow is going to fall into wet, warm ground, which means most of us aren't going to see anything more than a slushy dusting on lawns and rooftops. But look at this, the snow continues into the early morning hours on Thursday for the higher terrain along the eastern Highland Rim and the Cumberland Plateau. An early look at the snowfall pattern shows that most of us aren't going to see a whole lot, but you see these brighter shades of blue. That's where you could pick up a couple inches of accumulation in the higher terrain of eastern Middle Tennessee if temperatures drop enough to allow that snow to actually stack up. The bigger picture pattern shows where the best chance of accumulating snow will be off to our northwest. So we're going to be in between with the best chance of severe weather down to our south, best chance of heavy snow off to our northwest. It will be wet though and turning kind of chilly by Wednesday afternoon and staying chilly on Thursday.
Ooh. All right, roller coaster ride ahead. Stay tuned, folks. 6:21 for you right now.